Hi, this is Sakshi and I was really had that dilemma कि मैं ये blog बनाना start करूँ ये नहीं करूँ and has been like process of like 1 month full on. I was just thinking कि should I start this vlog or not, but I really wanted to do this. मुझे try देना था. So today's vlog would be all about shoot day. मतलब how shoot is done, like how packing and everything is done. Like ज़्यादा hectic मुझे नहीं करना पड़ता because I'm not a photographer, videographer, but yes, I'm a person who has to coordinate and who has to go and see. So my task for the day would be just to carry some equipments with me. For that I have done the packing. Jisme I just have to carry one camera, which is the Canon camera, and a tripod which I've already packed. So I'll make sure कि battery सारी charged है. So it is already charged, so मैं इनको pack कर देती हूँ. I'll just charge the battery charger as well, so that in case कुछ battery low हो गई तो we can charge that as well. Rest I'll just pack this mic. This is Holland का mic which I am using right now. Like मैंने उसको device से connect किया है and so it is like good. So I will be leaving for like I have to go to CP for the live event है. There's an event. I don't know the full details still कि what is all about because we could not discuss properly. So yes, this is the live event. It's a small event where we will be covering with my team. So half of the team will be already there. मुझे यहाँ से ऑफिस से जाना है तो मैं अभी जाऊँगी. I'll just to pack up. I'll try to leave like 4:40 तक. I'll go for metro because metro is one of the best convenient transport in Delhi which we can have. So yes, stay tuned. Let's see आज का ब्लॉग कैसा बनता है. Before going, I'm going to have this mini snacks. और मेरा तो ये वाला है ना शायद वेजी रोल्स. लेट्स सी कैसा होता है. No, so guys, now we have to leave for the shoot. तो of course मैं ये टी-शर्ट पहन के जा सकती. Branding is important, so I'll be going to wear quick change to my mock t-shirt, right? So this is mock t-shirt. So I'm ready for my mock for the shoot. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया है, बस अपने हेयर को ब्रश किया है, a bit of lip gloss, थोड़ा बहुत perfume, and now I'm set to go. So let's go. So basically we have to go to जोरबाग for the shoot. और जिसके लिए मैं सोच रही टेक अ मेट्रो. फॉर दैट मुझे ई रिक्शा लेना है, तो ई रिक्शा अभी तक आया नहीं है. टिल नाउ समथिंग हैपनिंग हैजंट हैपेंड. मैं सुबह से आई हैव बीन सिटिंग इन डेस्क एंड वर्किंग. कर लो आप ही, अल्लाह कर लो सर. Stupid. So from morning I haven't done something like very exciting or something. But हाँ, podcast itself was an exciting thing जो मैंने review किया. I have come to know about lots of things, भाई, rules and regulations, articles. Oh God, that was insane. But now we are going for a shoot, so I'm just waiting for a tuk-tuk to come and he will drop to me in the blue line and I'll go to Rajiv Chowk. From there probably I have to change the line to yellow, something. Let's see what will going to happen. It's not necessary कुछ happening ही हो. It can be normal routine. So this vlog is just a normal routine. That जितनी interesting life Instagram में दिखती है उतनी होती नहीं है सर. So finally I've got to sit in this tuk-tuk, but ये move नहीं करेगा because until unless all the 4 members do not sit. So the front seat is empty and my side seat is also empty. So ये move नहीं करेंगे. So let's wait. Because it is like 5 or something, तो पूरी मेट्रो खाली है. Got the seat. I finally reached to Rajiv Chowk, of course. अब यहाँ से हमें change करना है for a yellow line. So this time it is like around 5 or it's 5:30 something. So it's not so much crowded. Otherwise Rajiv Chowk is one of the crowdest metro station जहाँ पे इतनी भीड़ होती है, भाई क्या बताऊँ. When I was in Saket, so basically one of the tradition was to eat cone ice cream from Rajiv Chowk. So I was so obsessed with it कि मैं हर दिन जैसे मेरा mood off है तो I would have it. So today I just got a chance to have it again. So basically this is a seminar which we have come to shot, and this is the whole area, the sitting arrangements. So we are just 2 of us That is my teammate who is shooting, and I'm just carrying this camera, this mic in my hand, and trying to take best clips. Go start. Hello, hi. My name is Sakshi. So basically, shoot is going to take a lot of time. So I just left for my hostel, PG, JP. So this is what I have to go, and I have to stand and go because मुझे sleep नहीं मिली है. This is my food और ये थोड़ी ख़राब है.